Hey folks, welcome back. Another edition of I'm Cooking Again. I'm your guy Ken. Today, we're gonna have some fun. We always have fun when we cook. We've got whole chickens. We're gonna, how you say it? Spatchcock it. All right? But we're gonna have a battle of flavors, okay? We've got, we keep it simple. Caribbean jerk by Lowry's. They make a good seasoned salt. Let's give them a try with the Caribbean jerk. Okay? We also have Sweet Baby Ray's, another one of my favorites. Sweet teriyaki, marinade, and sauce. And of course, straight salt and pepper. Okay, cooks? We're gonna get these out there. First time, no brine. All right? When we do a marinade, we're not gonna brine it. We're gonna use that marinade, let that break it down. Okay, cooks? It's gonna be a fast one. We're gonna marinate it. We're gonna cut it up, spatchcock it, marinate it, get in the refrigerator. Probably about, now this is 15 minutes. I'm gonna do it an hour. Okay, cooks? Give it an hour, let it set. We're gonna get it out there on the pellet smoker. Fast, easy, nice Sunday cook. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. Okay, cooks, we're back. Here we go. Spatchcock. I know you want to play with that word. Basically, we're gonna cut this thing down the spine. Okay, cooks? Take it from the top. This is how I do it. Now you can do it differently. Get you a sharp knife. Go straight down. You hear it? Put your weight on it sometimes. You got to put your weight on it. Okay, put your weight on it. Boom. See that right there? Get the spine out. Okay, same thing on the side. Same thing on the side. If you got a sharp knife, it's not bad. Put your weight on it. Put your weight on it. Oh, we snapping backs, y'all. We snapping backs. That's the spine. Get it out of there. Come get it out. Okay, cooks. Look at this. Out of there. Spine to the trash bag. Spine to the trash bag. Spatchcock. I don't know. There's some organs and I don't know. Get that out of there. Okay, cooks. We're gonna clean it up. Clean it up, get your fat out of there. But that's spatchcock. Okay, cooks? Bam! Chicken like that. We're gonna get this thing in the marinade. I'm gonna do it again. I just saw it once, I have to do it twice. This is gonna be the Caribbean jerk. Get that in marinade, put in a bowl, refrigerator. I might show you. I'm just gonna pour the seasoning on there. A little salt and pepper. Stay with me. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. We got our Lowry's Caribbean jerk on the chicken spatchcock in here. We're gonna flip it around a little bit. Let it play. Let it play. Got our salt and pepper on there. Okay. This is going in the refrigerator. Bottle says 15 minutes. Don't be so stingy. Half hour, 45 minutes, hour. You can do overnight if you want. Nobody got time for that today? I'm gonna do an hour. Okay, cooks? We got the marinade in there. Like I said, you've seen this one. We're gonna do the same thing with the sweet teriyaki. Cut it up, spatchcock it, get the marinade on it, get it in the refrigerator. I'll see you guys in an hour. Not in real time. We're gonna get out to the pellet smoker, get them on there. We're gonna do some business. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Okay, cooks. Simple season, like I told you. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Now I got the machine now, Don't get tired. A little salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper. All right, you can add garlic if you like. Get a little more season. We're going to go to the underbelly. Salt and pepper. I might add a little garlic. I don't know. Right now, fresh salt, fresh pepper. We're going to get this in to the teriyaki marinade in the refrigerator. I'll see you guys, like I said, in an hour. I'm cooking it, cooks. We're out here, expert pellet grill. You know what we're doing. The chicken challenge, the marinade challenge. Let's go. Let's open her up. Let's get down to business. Okay, we have the first one. We're going to stream. You know how to do it on the channel. We don't care. This ain't professional. First one is teriyaki. Spatchcock teriyaki. Give it on there. Oh, you hear it. You hear it. You hear it. Look at that thing. Going on camera again? Because I don't care. Oh, we going to jerk. Yachty. Shout out to all my yachties. Grew up with everybody from the Bronx. We grew up with everybody. Yachty boy. What's up, Yankee boy? All right, we got them both on there. That's why this grill's fantastic. Everything fits. Okay, cooks. We'll have this on here. At a 300. Should I probe it? Maybe. I'm gonna probe it. I haven't washed my hands. I'll be right back, cooks. Let me get in the frame. Stay with your boy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. Spatchcock chicken battle. Cooks. Let's subscribe. Oh, let's go. Oh, who you talking to? Get it out of here. Oh. Let's get it. We're gonna take them together. Take them together. All right, cooks, we're here. You know, I'm cooking again, y'all. Thank you.